Hi guys, this is Joe Boy Cowboy again, and I'm here with my Ninebot Max, and I'm here to show you how to install this Ninebot Max seat or saddle, whatever you want to call it. And this video is requested by one of my subscribers, so shout out to Jacob Man 12. Cheers, man. Okay guys, this is the Ninebot Max seat. When this delivered to you, it will be in a big box and it will be in two parts like this. It comes with a 4-bolt and 2 spacer. Okay guys, let's start to install this seat. All you have to do is put it like this. Okay, and make sure it's not touching the fender. Give it a little space there, not to touch the fender. Okay, and then after this is the spacer. Make sure it is positioned like this when you slip it under here, and then you put the bolts one at a time like that. And also make sure that the bolt is like this. This is the lock washer. You put it inside, then the flat washer like this. And then let's go on the other side. The same thing on the other side. Make sure the spacer is like this. Slip it under like that. See the stopper there? Focus. Slide it like that. And put the bolt. Then use a Allen wrench, number 5 Allen wrench, to tighten it. Make sure it's tight. Okay. Okay. After that, you have to insert it like this and adjust it to your preference, how tall you are, like that. Then you tighten this quick release bolt like that, and that's it. This is one of the features of this seat. It comes with a shock absorber on the stem. Look. Okay, and then when you are riding and you want to stand up, all you have to do is See the lever here? All you have to do is pull it up and then like this. So you can ride standing like that. Now, when you want to fold the scooter, all you have to do is release this, quick release, and then press this. Okay, press this and then pull this out. Then if you want, you can push it like that and then fold it like that. Okay, now this, and then there. Now it's folded. See? Very easy. I guess I covered all the features of this seat. So I hope you like this and I help you a little bit on how to install it. And again, shout out to JacobMan12 for requesting this video. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like my videos. Thank you very much.